let's talk the voice cup system. In your kit, you will have a white cup and a black cup. The white cup goes with Big Betty, or the bigger size diameter straw, and the black cup goes with all the smaller size diameter straws. To use the system, the straw goes into the hole. The straw does not go back into your mouth, okay? It just gently hangs right here. When you go to use it, you need to make sure that you have a tight seal around your mouth. So when you go to voice, it's right here, all the way around, your lips and corners need to be inside the cup, okay? This does not work. This does not work. It needs to have a tight seal right here so you can see through it, okay? Same with this one. This can work with any of the size straws. So again, the straw goes in here, does not go back in your mouth, gently hangs, tight seal. Get it out. Men, if you have facial hair, sometimes you have to get the cup underneath the facial hair to get that tight seal.